thunderstorm warning for southeastern Roanoke County, southwestern Bedford County, northern Franklin County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Boone's Mill, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boone's Mill, Stewartsville, Burnt Chimney, Northwest Smith Mountain Lake, Goodview, West Lake Corner, and Chamblissburg.